Sacred geometry is an ancient and profound discipline that bridges the realms of science, spirituality, and the mysteries of the cosmos. It reveals the deep, intrinsic relationship between geometric patterns, the physical world, and the spiritual dimensions that govern existence. Rooted in the idea that certain geometric shapes, such as circles, squares, triangles, and complex forms like the flower of life, hold intrinsic symbolic and metaphysical power, sacred geometry unveils the hidden patterns that underlie all of creation. These shapes are seen as the fundamental blueprints of the universe, representing a higher divine order and offering insight into the nature of reality itself. Sacred geometry offers a way to connect with the essence of the universe and its creator, providing a gateway to understanding the cosmic laws of harmony, proportion, and balance that shape everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. The ancient civilizations that revered sacred geometry, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Mayans, incorporated these sacred patterns into their art, architecture, and religious practices. For the Egyptians, sacred geometry was not only about aesthetic beauty but also about aligning physical structures with cosmic energies. The Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, is an iconic example of a structure built in alignment with sacred geometric principles. The pyramids were designed to resonate with the Earth's energy field, and their dimensions were precisely calculated using sacred geometric ratios, ensuring that they were in harmony with the universe. The Greeks, led by thinkers like Pythagoras and Plato, viewed geometry as a key to understanding the metaphysical nature of existence. To them, geometry was a reflection of the divine order, a mathematical language that revealed the harmony of the cosmos. Plato even argued that the universe itself was built upon geometric forms, which were the perfect manifestations of ideal reality. In sacred geometry, some of the most essential and well-known forms are the Platonic solids, the 5 three-dimensional shapes that represent the basic building blocks of matter. The tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. These shapes embody both the material and spiritual dimensions of reality, and are believed to represent the fundamental elements of life. For instance, the tetrahedron with its 4 faces is thought to symbolize fire, while the cube with its 6 faces represents the earth. These geometric forms transcend time and space, carrying symbolic meaning that reflects the connection between the physical and metaphysical realms. One of the most widely recognized and powerful concepts within sacred geometry is the golden ratio, also known as phi, approximately 1.618. This mathematical constant is considered to represent the perfection of beauty and balance, appearing throughout nature, art, and architecture. The golden ratio is a ratio of proportions that is believed to embody divine harmony, and it can be found in the spiral growth patterns of plants, the shape of galaxies, and the proportions of the human body. The golden ratio is not merely a mathematical abstraction but a living expression of divine order, illustrating the ways in which the universe is governed by a precise, harmonious design. The Parthenon, the ancient Greek temple dedicated to Athena, was built using the golden ratio, ensuring that its design reflected the perfect proportions of beauty and order. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci also employed the golden ratio in their masterpieces, such as the famous Vitruvian Man, to capture the ideal proportions of the human form. Similarly, the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones, forms a key part of sacred geometry and reveals the profound connection between mathematics and nature. The Fibonacci sequence is reflected in the spiral patterns found in the arrangement of leaves, the branching of trees, and the formation of shells. These spirals are governed by the golden ratio, and they represent the growth, expansion, and evolution of life itself. The Fibonacci sequence is a manifestation of divine intelligence, revealing that the universe is a dynamic and ever-expanding system in which order and growth occur in a perfectly synchronized manner. Sacred geometry extends beyond mere mathematical patterns and shapes to also encompass the energy and vibrations that govern the cosmos. Throughout history, sacred geometric principles have been applied to the construction of sacred spaces such as temples, cathedrals, pyramids, and other structures that are designed to align with the natural energies of the earth and the cosmos. In these spaces, geometric forms are used to channel spiritual energies, creating an environment where individuals can connect with higher dimensions of consciousness. The ancient Greeks, for instance, built their temples with careful attention to sacred proportions, ensuring that the structures were aligned with celestial bodies and the energetic flow of the earth. The use of sacred geometry in these spaces was not just for aesthetic purposes but to create a powerful, transformative energy field that helped individuals connect with the divine and achieve spiritual growth. Sacred geometry also plays a vital role in meditation, spiritual awakening, and healing. By meditating on sacred geometric forms, individuals can tap into the higher frequencies of the universe and align themselves with the natural flow of energy. The flower of life, a geometric pattern consisting of overlapping circles, is one such powerful symbol. It is believed to represent the interconnectedness of all life, as every circle within the pattern shares a common center. Meditating on the flower of life is said to help individuals access deeper layers of consciousness and recognize their inherent connection to all beings in the universe. Sacred geometry serves as a tool for awakening the soul, helping individuals transcend the limitations of the material world and tap into the infinite potential of the spiritual realms. In addition to its role in personal growth and spirituality, sacred geometry is also seen as a key to understanding the cosmos itself. It provides a framework for exploring the mysteries of the universe and the hidden forces that shape reality. By examining the patterns found in nature, from the smallest cells to the largest galaxies, sacred geometry reveals the inherent unity and order of existence. The intricate web of connections that binds all life together is a reflection of the divine intelligence that permeates every corner of the universe. This intelligence is not separate from us but is within us, guiding our evolution and spiritual development. By understanding and embodying the principles of sacred geometry, we align ourselves with this universal intelligence, experiencing greater harmony, balance, and clarity in our lives. At Mystic Realms, we believe that the study of sacred geometry offers a profound path to self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment. By exploring the timeless wisdom encoded in the sacred shapes and patterns of the universe, we gain insight into the divine order that governs all creation. Sacred geometry allows us to connect with the cosmic intelligence that permeates every aspect of our existence, revealing the deeper purpose behind our lives and the universe itself. As we immerse ourselves in these sacred patterns, we begin to perceive the world in a new light, one that transcends the material and connects us with the eternal, infinite consciousness that lies at the heart of all things. Through this journey, we discover that the mysteries of the universe are not distant or unknowable, but are woven into the very fabric of our existence, waiting to be uncovered. Sacred geometry is a powerful tool for unlocking the hidden dimensions of reality and experiencing the divine presence that resides within and around us. By aligning ourselves with the patterns of the universe, we embark on a path of spiritual growth, healing, and transformation, leading us toward greater peace, wisdom, and unity with the cosmos.